Okay, guys, I know I just posted, but it's only been 1 minute. It's 4 p.m. and the tornado's over. I'll ask Siri right now. Hey, Siri, how's the weather like today?
Thunderstorms are
Is there a tornado right now?
No.
See, guys, told ya. Is there a tornado right now?
Here's what I found.
Is there a tornado right now?
No. There's no tornado in the forecast.
Told you guys, yes, it's an update. It's finally over. It's over now. And I'm going to give y'all more updates soon if there's more storms coming. I'm going to give y'all an update over this whole weekend because I heard it's going to be a tornado watch over this whole weekend. So I'm going to give y'all an update. I think it will. So I'm actually happy it's over, and I hope y'all enjoy this video. I love you guys. I hope you enjoy my channel. I'm going to try to make some VR videos soon. I'm going to go to Monroe and make a vlog. Bye.